we have a 5 by 5 grid, so there's 25 squares, and the T shape is worth 4 squares. So if we divide this, we'll get 6 1/4. The most we could ever fit in would be 6. We can rule out 7 straight away. Good idea now to just try filling it out. Just give it a go, because we can quickly rule out like 3, for example. Just try and like link them together. Okay, so I've already fitted 3 in. And that's got 4. And I can see I can fit another one in. Can I fit another 2 in here? And the answer is no. I'm only going to be able to fit 1 in. But we can definitely get 5. The question is, can we get 6? Now, for the purposes of this competition, it's enough to just play around with it a little bit more and convince yourself that you cannot get 6. The answer is going to be 5, which is correct. If you go into more advanced levels, though, then you might be asked to prove why 6 is not possible. And here's why. So if 6 was possible, we could only leave one gap. So we'd have to have 3, like greater or equal to 3 of the corners filled. Now there's only going to be 2 options for top right. We could either do this as the red one. Sorry, I could make it like this, or I could have it like this. But the thing is, they're the same really under like without loss of generality. So let's just go with this as a possibility. Now, if I do that, there's no way I could then have this as my T shape. I have to go with a T like so. But the problem with that is I've already got a gap. I can't have any more gaps if this is going to work. But then I'm going to have my T shape to fit a corner here, or the other one to be fair. So let's say I put one. No, I have to now fill both the corners actually. So it's going to have to be like this. But then I get another gap. So along using this kind of argument, we can say that 6 is not going to be possible because we put our first shape in, and then if you look at the like this corner down here, then there's going to have to be a gap for me to fill in the corner here as well. I'm not allowed any more gaps, but I'll necessarily have to get one to fill in this one here. So basically 6 is not possible, 5 is. So 5 is the maximum number of pieces.